Welcome back to Life on Greenwood, guys. I'm flipping my bar cabinet and doing a wine glass holder hack. Yeah, doing a wine glass holder hack. And that sounds like a mouthful, but you're going to enjoy this. So if you want to see how I finish flipping this bar cabinet and do the wine glass holder hack, then join me. It's going to be fun. So guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm finishing up a bar cabinet flip, a thrift piece that I got from Goodwill. I think it was either 2019, and I started. I'll leave the link to the video where I purchased this cabinet from Goodwill, and the first part of the flip was me painting it and getting it, nice and cleaned up. And I wanted to do the interior of the case to make it into a bar cabinet, but it has taken me until now to get around to doing it. So I want to finish that today, and I want to show you how I did a wine glass holder hack. Now, I can't take all the credit for this. I saw this on, I think I saw it on Pinterest. All right, real life, that was hubby coming down and interrupting my little thing that I was saying. This block of wood is what I'm going to use to make this wine glass holder. And again, I saw it on Pinterest, so I can't take credit for this. I think what I'll do is, if I can find the information to the tutorial that I saw, I'll link it somewhere in the description box or something. But hubby and I may use these and fashion these into wine glass holders in my bar cart, and I absolutely love it. So if I could put a picture of how we did these boxes or these little blocks using screws, and we used some clear plastic tubing for spacers. I'll put a picture in right here now, let you see what they look like when we first kind of configured them. All right, so now you know what they look like. We screwed them into the top of the cabinet, and I think the cabinet was originally a CD case. One of my viewers told me before, I didn't know what it was. I don't know what it was, but I think one of my viewers told me before that she thinks it looked like originally was a CD case. So a CD cabinet, which makes sense when I think about it. But anyway, I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Let me show you a little bit of what we did with this bar cabinet, and let me know if you like this flip, because I'm doing flips all the time. So I hope you liked this bar cabinet flip and the wine glass hack. So easy. No, not really easy. The wine glass hack was took a little bit of time. Thank goodness I had hubby here to help me figure out where to drill the holes and all of that, but and how to set it up in the bar cabinet, and we had to flip it over and all of that. So, but thank goodness he was here because I need a little bit more muscle. But the bar cabinet, I'm really happy with the way the bar cabinet turned out. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of that, even though I don't drink. As you can see, I have non-alcoholic drinks in there. But thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my bar cabinet flip and my wine glass holder hack. And if you're into DIYs and you're into thrift flips, by all means, hit the subscribe button and come back and join us again. I'll have some upcoming thrift flips on the way. Thanks again for my returning friends. I appreciate you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.